Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best portable air conditioner fans available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have TOSOT Portable Air Conditioner. This unit is portable enough to be wheeled from room to provide cool air wherever you need it, most the bedroom, office or the living room. The mounting kit can be installed in most windows, especially horizontal windows not suitable for window-mounted machines. This portable AC provides a restful night of sleep or focused periods of work by clocking in at a peak sound level of 49 decibels. The hassle of finding the correct air filter is gone. You can also use the sleep function to adjust your optimal sleeping temperature while you are busy counting sheep, or activate the night mode to shut off all lights on the control panel. At number 4 we have Honeywell Portable Air Conditioner. Honeywell Portable AC's dual motor technology means lower noise levels. At the highest speed setting, the Classic Series Portable ACs produce between 52 to 55 decibels. You can enjoy simple and precise room climate control with the Honeywell Portable AC Smart Digital Thermostat system. This clear digital controls and a full-function remote control makes it easy to change settings from across the room. The self-evaporation system means bucketless operation. In higher humidity rooms the unit is equipped with dual drainage options offering you flexibility. At number 3 we have movtip Portable Air Conditioner. It has 3 adjustable speeds, 2 air blowing mode. You can select the most suitable one to enjoy your leisure time or family time. A tank of water can continuously spray cooling mist for 2.5 to 8 hours. The evaporative cooler is only 8-inch height, mini size and lightweight with a portable handle. It is built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery make this USB air cooler can be used wirelessly, easily carry to anywhere. His ultra-quiet air cooler can operate vigorously at low noise levels. That's allowing you to sleep comfortably overnight at the proper temperature and low-level noise. At number 2 we have J-Make Portable Air Conditioner. The J-Make IT Simple Mini Portable Air Conditioner that cools, humidifies and purifies with 3 fan speeds and a multi-directional air vent. The portable design allows this air humidifier to be suitable in any room. Whether you want to put it in the living room, bedroom, bathroom or kitchen, this humidifier is easy to carry. This cool mist humidifier will produce the most calming and quiet mist, so that your home stays at an optimal humidity level. The portable air conditioner ensures you with a pleasant cool microclimate near you quickly. It comes with high efficiency at low power of working wattage. It saves your electricity bills. At number 1 we have Zinquihao Portable Air Conditioner. Zinquihao Personal Air Conditioner combines the functions of a table fan, mini air conditioner, air humidifier, and air purifier in a combination of 3 functions, that allowing you to add water or ice for rapid cooling in a matter of seconds. The upgrade dual spray nozzles greatly improve spraying efficiency. That's making dry air moist and nourishing your skin. Zinquihao Mini Air Conditioner is lightweight and has a soft carrying strap. The 4000 mAh rechargeable battery not only can be used in a full charge situation 2 hours to 15 hours, but also able to connect many charging devices. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best portable air conditioner fans for your need.